Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be talking about the corruption of politicians directly in Jamaica and how no matter what they're involved in as far as corruption is concerned, how they're never convicted, nothing never comes out of it. They resign from their position, they get their pensions, and they live happily ever after, which is totally ridiculous to me personally. And I'm going to read this article, and it says, Professor Trevor Monroe is urging Jamaica to begin convicting politicians who are found to be corrupt. He said other places in the world are taking a proactive approach to the corruption, but Jamaica in the last 27 years, that's 2 decades, okay? 2 decades, almost 3, has done nothing in the way of convicting public and government officials. The executive director of National Integrity Act cited that in Italy, the former Prime Minister Silvio Berlusconi, President of France, Hollande, and in the US, 7 members of Congress have been tried and convicted for their involvement in corruption. So that's what Monroe had to say as far as politicians being convicted for crimes and being corrupt. So almost 3 decades have gone by and nothing has been done. Not only other countries like the USA have called Jamaican politicians out in their involvement in corruption and illegal activities. So it's a well-known fact that Jamaican politicians are involved in things that they're not supposed to be involved in, and up till now nobody no do nothing. Okay, so do you guys think it will ever happen? Because quite frankly, I think that convictions of politicians in Jamaica will happen, but it's gonna take a very, very long time for it to happen. And the reason why I say that is because a lot of these politicians, no matter what side of the fence they're on, JLP or PNP, I feel like they're in cahoots with their one another. Their children go to the same school, they participate in the same things, they're friends with the same people, they move around in the same circle. Whether you guys like it or not, I feel like at the end of the day, they're going to protect their interest and their family's interest. And I feel like they're in cahoots with one another, so there won't be a time where a politician snitch on another politician, or there won't be a time when something happens and they hold them accountable. It would have to take some outside entity like the USA charging one of these politicians with something illegal for them to actually convict a Jamaican politician. And that's how I feel about it. It would have to take some outside entity to get that done. Quite frankly, I don't think it's going to happen in my lifetime. Maybe in my child's lifetime it will happen, but as far as in my lifetime, I don't see it happening, and I don't see it happening in the near future. I may be wrong, but that's just what I'm saying right now. Just because it hasn't happened in 27 years, I feel like it's going to take another 40 or 50 years for something like that to happen in Jamaica. Or it has to be something very, very, very big that engages in scrutiny from England, Canada, and the United States for them to actually convict a politician. So if the United States, England, and Canada come down on a politician in Jamaica for something illegal that they do, and Jamaica has no solution but to actually acknowledge it and find that politician accountable, then that's the only way I feel like it would happen in my lifetime. So comment if y'all left it up to the politician them at Jamaica fi actually do this or actually go into investigation and actually figure out what's going on behind the scenes and who is laundering money and who is selling people off or taking people away and shipping them off to other countries to be slaves and sex prostitutes and go dance and all that. Is if you're leaving it up to the Jamaican government, that will never ever happen. So comment in the comment section and tell me guys what you guys think. Do you think that Jamaican politicians are going to actually start convicting politicians that they know are in corruption, or do you think that it would have to take an outside entity like Canada, England and the United States coming together and scrutinize a specific politician for them to actually do something drastic like that? Do you think it's going to happen soon or not? Do you think it's going to happen in your lifetime? Comment and tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a part of here, man. Deuces.